Hello po mga ping-pongers, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Another racket setup na naman po katatapos lang nating i-setup. At ang racket setup mo ito is ipapaship po natin papuntang Kalumpang, Naval, Biliran Province. Ang racket setup po nito guys, ang blade niya po is ito pong Yinhe T5S, a carbon blade from Yinhe. Yan, ito po yung tsura niya guys. And ang kanyang red rubber naman po is ito pong Yinhe Big Dipper, Yinhe Maxtense Big Dipper po ito guys. And ang kanyang black rubber naman po is ito pong Yinhe Maxtense Moon na may kasama pong protective adhesive film. At syempre meron po itong edge tape. So nag-honor po nito sir, thank you so much for trusting Ping Pong Palomaloc. And ipapaship na po namin ang raketa nyo po sir. And hopefully you'll enjoy playing ping pong using your newly built table tennis racket. Hatid po sa inyo ng Ping Pong Palomaloc. Sa gusto naman pong pa-setup, just message us directly po dito sa aming Facebook page at pakisubscribe naman po ng aming YouTube channel. Ang link po